and that's how they provide water those who are thirsty. Namaste everyone, and welcome to the Punjab, a land of heroes, warriors, sages and gurus. So from today onwards you are going to have adventures of Punjab with me. We'll see how Punjab it is going to be and how fun this trip is going to be. I'll be staying in Punjab for 1 month, and then I'll show you the unexplored parts of Punjab. And I'm very excited for this trip because Punjab was my dream destination, and finally I'm here and I'll show you the unexplored parts of Punjab. So are you excited? And one more thing, I just forgot to ask, how are you guys doing? I hope you all are doing well and you all are fantastic. Finally I am at Gurudwara Sri Dukh Nivaran Sahib Ji, and I'm going to give a tour of this Gurudwara, how it looks. And Jaswinder is going to help me. He will help me with this whole Gurudwara tour. So guys, this is the front gate of this Gurudwara. It has 3 gates, right? 3 entrance. This is the front one, and this is how it looks from outside. It is so big. It is the biggest Gurudwara of Patiala. So whenever you are in Patiala, don't forget to pay a visit to this Gurudwara.
बचे मेरे साहिबा कह कबीरा गुणी गईरा कोई ना जाने तेरा चेता केवल जीरा.
So guys, you didn't see me in the video while entering the Gurudwara because I wasn't allowed to say anything, and also without their permission you cannot record the video of inside. So they stopped us in the middle, so that's why we shot only less, but I'll show you the other parts. This is the outside part, and there is Sarovar. I'll show you. We'll take the round of Sarovar, okay? Now I'll show you the Sarovar. So that is the Sarovar, guys, if you can see. Yeah. This is the Sarovar again. How beautiful it looks in the evening. I'm going to take a round of this Sarovar and then I'll show you the other side of this Gurudwara. So guys, one information I would like to give you: whenever you are near the Sarovar, you will see the steps. 3 steps, wait, I'll show you. Yeah, you will see this kind of steps. It is dark, but right now it's dark, but you will see the steps. So never try to step on that. Just sit on the pathway as made now of marble, pathway kind of thing. You can sit over there, this white color thing. Don't go down or don't keep your foot over there. This was, I thought it's important to know those who are not Punjabis.
एंड आफ्टर दैट वो कृपान भेंट करते हैं, ठीक है, अरदास करने के बाद। लाइक ये माना जाता है कि गुरु साहब को खुद खा लिया है और बाकी फिर सारी संगत में वो बरता देते हैं। ये चीज़ है, ये इसका रिचुअल है कि अरदास करने के बाद के गुरु साहब को भेंट कर दी है एंड आफ्टर दैट सब में किसी की खुशी है, गमी है, सब मिक्स करके सबको बांट दिया, इक्वली सबको मिल गया। हाँ, दैट्स द थिंग।
So guys, he was telling about the prasad, the offerings we get after visiting the Gurudwara, and I'll show you how to take that. Whenever you are in langar or like taking prasad, you have to you have to take with your both the hands. You cannot take with only one hand. I'll show you how it's done. Guys, whenever you are, wherever you are visiting Gurudwara or any kind of religious place, always respect.
Just tell about the Nishan Sahib.
This
That
one.
this is not the flag like they were saying in.
Different color thing is, it is called Nissan Sahib. In English, you can say that victory flag, and it is for Sikhs. They have sacrificed a lot. They have fought so fights.
This Nishan Sahib is the thing that is situated in each and every Gurdwara Sahib. Like this is the symbol of victory. After in past times when the kings, the Punjabi rulers, they just winning the forts, like they just place this Nishan Sahib in another another kingdom.
Correct. They
So,
fought with Mughals. They fought with
and
different
all the fights
empires.
which were fought by the Sikh rulers, they will not fight for the land or any other thing. It's just for the
others'
rights,
right.
others'
Yeah.
right.
They even fought for Hindus. And that is the Sir Bangla Sahib, Sri Bangla Sahib Gurudwara is the great example of their sacrifices they did for Hindus.
I'm here. Come.
This is how you take offerings. It's called prasad.
Like in India only जो water bottles भी हैं 20-20 रुपए की मिलती हैं पीने के लिए, तो free of cost चल रहा है सारा।
And that's how they provide water those who are thirsty. So nice. They do a lot. So guys, after showing you the biggest Gurudwara of Patiala, I'm going to end my vlog now, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care of yourself and stay safe.